The file currently holds the program database and a sketch of the building. Now, let's grab the rooms and areas and assign them to parts of the building. The building family can be separated in parts. Each one of its elements represents an area or a room of the building instance. You cannot add parameters to the building category. Instead, you add parameters to the parts category. All the data extracted and analyzed comes from the building parts. You can toggle the visibility of elements in the view properties between displaying the original, which will display the building instances, and displaying elements that will show the building parts. To deconstruct the building in parts, select it, then go to Modify, Create, and click on Create Parts. When you select a part of the building, Revit opens the Modify Parts tab. You can edit and divide parts instances manually using the standard Revit tools. Once you selected a part element, you can see the G-Properties panel has changed. You have now access to two grids of properties separated by a number selector. The first Properties grid shows all the built-in parameters for the parts category. The second Properties grid shows all of the project parameters added to the parts category. There's a number selector in the middle. You can use it to link the selected parts to a room or an area of your building. When you link a part to a room or an area, all its parameters values in the second grid are automatically assigned.